The properties extension identifies a Java properties file containing key-value configuration pairs for Java application settings. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit, manage, or troubleshoot these Java configuration files. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your properties, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. Properties. Files are Java configuration files containing key-value pairs that define application settings, database connections, localization strings, and runtime parameters. They are loaded by Java's properties class to configure applications without modifying compiled code. Java properties. Files use a plaintext format with key-value or key-value pairs 1 per line. They support Unicode escape sequences, backslash line continuation, and hash or exclamation comments. Keys are case-sensitive and values are trimmed of leading whitespace. Eclipse IDE developed by the Eclipse Foundation serves as the industry application standard for properties. The file is only recognizable by its name and size in Windows Explorer. Windows cannot validate syntax or meaning, so incorrect edits can break features. The solution begins by testing the installed programs. Right-click the properties file and choose Open With. Use Eclipse IDE as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be systematic in your application testing. If your properties file will not open, do not worry. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, editing configuration. Open the properties file in any text editor. Modify values for configuration keys such as database connection strings, server URLs, logging levels, and application parameters. Save changes and restart the Java application to load the updated configuration. Next, localization usage. Properties files are standard for Java Internationalization I-18N. Create language-specific files like messages, nn.properties, and messages, .fr properties, with translated string values. Java's resource bundle loads the appropriate file based on the user's locale setting. Finally, troubleshooting issues. If Java applications fail to load properties, files verify the file is in the class path. Check for encoding issues, especially with non-ASCII characters that must use Unicode escapes like U9. Verify key names match exactly between the code and properties file, including case. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.